Hey, if you wonder how waterproof is Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, that I just find great explanation on the digitaltrends.com website. I can highly recommend you to visit this website. So in this smartphone, you can find IP68 rating. And what does it mean? So the 68 means that the new Google phones can withstand the water immersion down to 1.5 meters underwater for 30 minutes and go any deeper in distance or longer in time, and it could actually damage our phone. Notably, this is the only valid for fresh water. What doesn't mean that we shouldn't actually use this in the sea, because there's the salt, right? And it can actually damage the metal elements in our phone, including, for example, the charging port. So this is it, the quick information for you guys. As I said before, highly recommend you to open the digitaltrends.com website and get some news about the Pixel phones. So that's all, please subscribe.